In science, every research project begins with an idea, and often with a sample. At every stage of the sample journey, researchers need confidence that their sample is protected, their process is consistent, and their results can be trusted. Critical breakthroughs rely on laboratory technology that helps scientists work with accuracy, reproducibility, and confidence. That is where Eppendorf plays a vital role, supporting the workflows that help turn scientific ideas into impact.
Lab infrastructure is incredibly important to innovation and R&D in labs today. The lab infrastructure needs to ensure reproducible results, ones that the scientists can trust, that they can publish, and that we can ensure that the outcomes will deliver on.
Here at Western Sydney University, researchers are using cutting-edge technology for next-generation sequencing. This specialist equipment means that the laboratory can process hundreds of samples, at the same time delivering fast results. But it's critical that their equipment is producing accurate results every step of the way.
Accuracy is at the fingertips of everything that we do, from the start to the finish. A small pipetting error that may happen upstream can cause a lot of sequencing data to be lost downstream. So it's everywhere in everything that we do, and we aim to provide that level of accuracy to the clients and the research that we do.
Eppendorf works with the university to provide the right laboratory infrastructure that can streamline operations and reduce the workload for researchers. Automated liquid handling devices are crucial for modern labs like this one.
Automation really helps us with consistency, accuracy and throughput because it enables us to trust the robot to pipette accurately across the entire plate without us having to interact with it. It also gives us a chance to be able to do other tasks while the robot runs 3-4 hours.
It's vital for any laboratory to get the right infrastructure to match their requirements. Eppendorf works closely with Australian research organisations to understand their labs and connect them with the right global innovations for local research environments.
Eppendorf doesn't decide on what innovations are best for our customers. Our customers decide on what innovations are best for them. Our customers are consistently telling us what they require, and our job is to ensure that we're feeding that back to our research and development teams to deliver the products that they need.
One of those customers is the Victor Chang Cardiac Research Institute in Sydney.
Our lab's really interested in understanding why the heart fails at the molecular level and using the knowledge we gain from that to try and develop new therapies. We focus on a group of diseases called the cardiomyopathies, which are a genetic group of diseases that affect the heart's muscle. Our ultimate goal is to develop therapies for these, and this sounds lofty, but it requires a huge amount of discovery biology to figure out what the genetic targets are.
Achieving such ambitious goals comes with many pressures and challenges. With the right lab equipment and consumables, researchers can focus on the real challenges at hand.
Trying to understand all the biology that leads to disease is a huge challenge. It's incredibly complex. It's like trying to understand a computer chip on a microscopic scale.
As researchers continue to make scientific breakthroughs, there is an ever-growing desire for their laboratories to operate more sustainably. This equates to a desire to reduce waste, improve energy efficiency, implement enhanced circular economy loops, improve ergonomics, and commit to equipment longevity.
We've been the first to launch a bio-based consumable to market, and where that innovation has played a part is to help our customers reduce the amount of fossil fuel plastics going into the lab, which means we're reducing the amount of fossil fuels coming out.
Behind every scientific breakthrough is a chain of people, processes, and technology working together. Reliable infrastructure may rarely make the headlines, but it plays a critical role for researchers around the world, helping them to turn today's experiments into tomorrow's discoveries.